Hey everyone, and welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. Thank you once again for joining me, and if you're new to this channel, welcome, and please do not forget to subscribe. On the menu today, I will be showing you guys how to make this simple green chili sauce. Now guys, this chili sauce is one of Ghanaians' favorite, aside from shito, and I understand why, because it's so versatile. You can literally have it with anything, ranging from anguamo, fried yam, kenkey, jollof rice, the list goes on. Stay with me and I'll show you how to make this sauce. As I like my green chili sauce extremely spicy, I decided to use 3 different types of chilies. I have the green finger chilies, green Scotch bonnets, Petite Belle, also known as Kpakposhito, green bell pepper, onions, spring onions, garlic, ginger, vegetable oil for frying the sauce, some Maggi cube for seasoning, and white pepper for seasoning. I will list everything in the description below. Feel free to use your preferred chili for this sauce. In my blender, I'm adding the garlic, the chilies, the ginger, the onions, and I will add enough water and blend this into a thick, smooth consistency. Whilst you're doing this step, try not to add too much water to the peppers whilst blending. This will leave the pepper mixture too watery. In a saucepan on medium heat, add oil. When the oil is hot, add the blended mixture. Now I'll be seasoning the sauce using Maggi cube, crayfish, and white pepper. I will leave the sauce uncovered on medium heat for about 7 to 10 minutes or until the oil settles on top, which will indicate the sauce is ready. Every so often, I will stir to minimize the sauce from burning. Don't forget to taste and adjust your seasoning as needed. And the chili sauce is ready. As I mentioned it at the beginning of this video, this chili sauce is versatile. You can also use it as a marinade for fish, chicken, lamb, pork, you name it. Thank you guys once again for joining me in my kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please do not forget to like this video, share, comment below, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your bell notification icon. I'll see you next time. Bye.